this is me Shanti and you're watching me on my YouTube channel, The Layer V. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial that's greatly inspired by Holi festival that was just over a couple of days ago. And this is a look that I came up with while I was just scrolling through my Instagram feed and all of the colored faces that you have been posting. And I really wanted to recreate this in a makeup tutorial form, and this is what I came up with. I discovered all of this jewelry that I have with me and I decided to just throw it on together and make this tutorial just a little bit more fun and Indian ethnic inspired kind of tutorial. So if you're watching me and this video for the first time, then thank you so much for taking time out of your day to click and watch this video. May I suggest that you watch till the end of this video, and if you like what you see and you like my content, please do consider subscribing. All that will be needed is for you to click on the subscribe button down this video that looks like this. All you have to do is just click on it and there will be a bell icon next to it. Make sure to click on it as well, just so that you will be updated and notified whenever I have new video uploads going up on my channel. I usually upload every Tuesdays and Fridays at 6 PM Singapore time. If you want to know how to recreate this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so we're going to be beginning off the eye look with a white eyeshadow base. I'm using the one from NYX, and because I'm going to be using a lot of colorful colors, I didn't want to use the regular skin tone base eyelid primer. I'm just going to be taking this and moving it onto my areas of my eyelid, and I'm going to be taking it just beneath my lower lash line, just on the outsides of the outer corners of the eyes, as you will see me do it, demonstrate it right here. To set the white eye primer down, I'm going to be going in with some RCMA no color powder, just for the same reason, because we use white and I want to make it as white as possible, just so that when the rest of the eyeshadows go on top, they look vibrant and beautiful. Once we have that down, I'm going to be quickly moving on to the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to be taking a Love Letter, if I'm not wrong, the matte, very dark pink shade, and with a blending brush, I'm going to be picking up the product and moving it across my crease area in windshield wiper motion, and I'm slowly going to be dragging the color out to the outer corners of the eyes, as you will see me again demonstrate over here. Onto the same blending brush, I'm going to be taking the very bright burnt orange color that's from the Modern Renaissance palette. I believe it's called Realga. I'm going to be taking that color and just going to be lightening up the harsh edges that was placed by Love Letter. I'm just going to be smoking it out. It almost looks extremely messy at this point, but it all comes together in the end, I can assure you of that. So I'm just being very generous with the pigment. As you know, Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palettes are so pigmented. Can you see how much pigment that's going on my face right now? It's crazy. So I just generously apply a lot of pigment. A lot more blending work will be going on later on while all of the colors are slowly being laid on top of one another. And to work in the outer corners of the eye, I took this ColourPop's purpley shimmery shade, but then I felt like it was not really transferring well on the eyelid. And this product in particular, the bristles on the brush is not able to pick up the product, and it works best with fingertips. So there was no point in picking a brush with this. I did try it with a brush. I didn't want any shimmer for this particular eye look, so I actually went with the Tarte Tease palette and took the grey purple that has a lot of grey in it. It almost looks black on top of the ColourPop's purple shimmery eyeshadow, and just set it down just so that it looks a little bit more like what I want the pigment to look like. Alright, it's now time to get started working on the inner corners of the eye. I intentionally left it bare just so that I can go in with another colored base, so when we layer on top of the base a lot more vibrant colors, it will show much more better. So I'm going to be going in with the Catrice Cosmetics Kohl Kajal pencil in this green metallic like shade, and I'm going to be taking Kat Von D's Gothic Pastel color palette, and I'm going to be using the yellow and the green from this palette and layer it on top of this green base, and you just have a look at how intense the pigment is. Then to just blend and marry all of the colors together, I took a pastel orange like color. It's almost like a fruity, very pastel like orange pastel color from the Pastel God palette, and I started blending out all of the bright colors that I've placed. I've also taken a little bit of the yellow onto my brow bone and just above my brows, just so that it looks like I've been playing with a lot of colors, like how the color has been like powdered onto my face. To ensure that the focal point remains on the vibrant colors that are on the eyelid, I've actually skipped out on black eyeliner. Instead, to have a little bit of a more thicker lash line, I've took the Cypress Umber from the Modern Renaissance palette onto a thin brush and just wiggle it in between my lashes, just so that it looks like I have a thicker lash line. And to brighten up the whole eye area, instead of a typical black, I actually use a nude Kohl Kajal pencil to line my lower waterlines to open up the eyes even further. Complete the eye look, I went in with a few coats of my mascara on hand, and this is from Catrice. No, I believe this is from Essence, and I just went in with a few coats of mascara. I skipped out on false lashes for this look. I'm just taking a break, but go ahead if you want to have a lot more drama to the eyes. You can always add your favorite pair of false lashes. To complete the whole makeup look, I'm going to be moving on to the lips, and to line my lips, I don't actually have a lip liner that is of a very similar color to the liquid lipstick that I chose to customize for this makeup look. But anyways, I used the NYX lip liner in the shade Alabama, and for the complete lip look, I actually went in with Mila Cosmetics liquid lipstick. I believe this is in the shade Boy Magnet. It has a little bit of purple, a little bit of a fuchsia undertone, and I mixed in with ColourPop's liquid lipstick. I believe it's the shade called Midi. Just mixed it in a little bit, and to line the Cupid's bow, I was just feeling it on the day I filmed this tutorial. I went in with the NYX Aqua Glam. I believe this is in the nude one, and just lightly, thinly emphasize a little bit of my Cupid's bow alone, and this completes the makeup look. Alright, and that's it for today's makeup tutorial, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this Holi inspired makeup tutorial, and if you did, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, favorite and share this on WhatsApp and Facebook, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!